Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the ICE network. First, open your MetaMask extension in your web browser. Next, locate the Network Selection drop-down menu, typically found at the top of the wallet interface. This initial step is crucial for accessing the custom network settings we will configure shortly. We will guide you through each part of the process, ensuring a smooth and successful connection. This will allow you to interact with the ICE network's decentralized applications. To connect to the ICE network, first ensure your MetaMask is on the BNB Smart Chain. Open your wallet and click the Network drop-down. Select BNB Smart Chain if it's already listed. If not, you'll need to add it as a custom network. The chain ID for BNB Smart Chain is 56, and you'll need a valid RPC URL. This step is vital because the ICE token primarily operates on this network, facilitating your transactions and interactions. Once connected to the BNB Smart Chain, you can import the ICE token. Click Import Tokens at the bottom of your MetaMask wallet. Then, select Custom Token and paste the official ICE token contract address. 0xC335DF7C25B72, EC661D5A32, A7C2B, 7B2, A1D1874. The token symbol, ICE, and its 18 decimals should automatically appear. Double-check these details for accuracy. Finally, click Import to add the ICE token to your wallet, making your balance visible and ready for use. With your MetaMask wallet now connected to the ICE network, you are ready to engage with its ecosystem. You can send and receive ICE tokens, participate in various decentralized applications, and manage your digital assets. Always ensure you are connected to the correct network before performing any transactions. This full guide empowers you to seamlessly navigate the ICE network, opening up new possibilities for your crypto journey. Enjoy exploring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.